Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Element remote control is probably one of the most underrated gadgets in our living rooms, but it's also one of the most important. It's the key to unlocking a world of entertainment, from switching channels and adjusting the volume to navigating streaming apps and accessing smart features. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Element remotes, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one for your TV. Number 5. Element TV Universal Remote Replacement. Tired of juggling remotes? This universal remote is designed specifically for Element LCD and LED TVs. It offers a simple solution to control your TV. No complicated setup is needed. Just insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. It's that simple to start using. This remote works with a wide range of Element TV models. Please note that it is not compatible with Element Fire TV or Roku TV models. Compatible with models including ELCFT194, ELCFW324, ELDFW406, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it fits your TV. This brand new remote is made with high-quality, long-lasting materials. It provides a fast and reliable signal for seamless control. It is a great replacement for your original remote. What we like. This remote is incredibly easy to use, with no setup needed. It's compatible with a wide range of Element TV models, so you likely won't have to worry about compatibility. If you have multiple Element TVs in your home or are looking for a simple, reliable replacement, this is the one. What people say. Worked like a charm, didn't need to be synchronized. After the two batteries were inserted, the remote worked with the TV with no issue. Exact replacement of original remote Dog 8. 100% compatible with TV. All I had to do was insert included batteries and it worked with no programming. Included batteries lasted longer than expected. This remote is awesome. It worked perfectly right out of the box. For some reason my French bulldog is hyperfixated on this thing and has stolen and chewed it up on several occasions. Somehow it still works. Even with teeth marks and huge chunks missing. Number 4. Element TV Remote Control. This remote control is compatible with Element UHD digital LED TVs. As long as the appearance matches your original remote, it will work perfectly. You don't need to set up anything. Just insert two AAA batteries, which are not included, and it's ready to go. It's that simple. This remote features an upgraded chip for durable lifespan and high-quality performance. Please make sure to check your TV model and the remote's appearance before purchasing. This remote is compatible with Element models including ELSW3917BF, E4SFT5017, ELSJ5017, ELST3216H, ELST5016S, E2SW5018, E4SFC551, ELFH322S, and E4SFT551. Enjoy peace of mind with our 360-day warranty return service. We respond to all customer inquiries within 12 hours. We are here to help you. What we like. This remote boasts stable performance and a durable lifespan thanks to its upgraded chip. It also comes with a generous warranty and responsive customer service. If you value reliability and peace of mind, this remote is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly. It was easy to set up. The remote is a perfect replacement. Number 3. Replacement remote for Element TV. Tired of your old remote? This universal remote is designed specifically for your Element TV. It's the perfect replacement, ready to go. This remote works with a wide range of Element TV models, including LF195, LF222, LF247, LF248, LF328, LF407, LF504, LF505, LF506, and LF581. It's also compatible with other models. Check the list to see if it fits your TV. Forget complicated setups. This remote requires no programming or pairing. Simply install new batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. Just put in the batteries, and you're all set. It's that simple. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your TV right away. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This remote is a universal replacement, meaning it works right out of the box with no programming required. It also comes with excellent customer service. If you are looking for a simple, hassle-free replacement with great support, you should consider this one. What people say. Once you put the batteries in, it works right away, no setup needed. Controlled the TV right out of the package without issue. Connected right up out of the package without having to do anything. Great remote just like the one that came with it. Number 2. Element TV Replacement Remote Control. Tired of your old remote? This replacement is designed specifically for your Element TV. It's a perfect solution to get your TV back up and running. No need for complicated setups. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply install batteries, and it's ready to control your TV. Forget about programming or pairing. This remote is designed for immediate use. Just add batteries and start enjoying your TV again. This remote works with selected Element TV models, including ELSW3917BF, E4SFT5017, 4SDA5017, ELSJ5017, ELST3216H, ELST5016S, and E2SW5018. Make sure your TV is listed before purchasing. The remote requires 2 AAA batteries to operate. Please note that the batteries and user manual are not included in the package. Get yours today. What we like. This remote is designed for specific Element TV models, ensuring perfect compatibility. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no programming. If you have one of the listed TV models and want a straightforward replacement, this remote is a perfect fit. What people say. Great, works well. Perfect match. The remote worked right out of the bag and it was even better than the one I lost. Number 1. Element TV Remote Replacement for ELF328. Don't worry, this is a replacement remote for your Element TV. It works the same as your original remote, so you can get back to watching your favorite shows. This remote is compatible with a variety of Element TV models, including ELF328, ELF426, ELF506, ELF426, ELF326, and more. It's designed to work seamlessly with your TV. The remote is ready to use right out of the box. No programming is required, just insert the batteries and it's ready to go. If your old remote is broken or lost, this is the perfect replacement. It offers all the same functions as the original, so you won't miss a thing. This replacement remote provides all the functions you need to control your TV. It's a reliable and convenient solution for your entertainment needs. What we like. This remote offers the same functionality as your original remote, with no programming needed. It's a direct replacement, making it simple to get back to enjoying your TV. If you have lost your original remote or it's broken, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The remote control is easy to set up. The remote control works perfectly with my Element TV. The buttons are well placed and easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.